In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export properties and view a property's historical data in HubSpot. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click that. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage all kinds of configuration options for your portal. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll through this menu until you find the section called Data Management. Under that section, click on Properties. This is where HubSpot stores all of the properties that are used across your CRM, such as contact, company, deal, and ticket properties. You'll now see a list of your properties on the main panel. Take a moment to locate the specific property or properties that you want to export. You can click to select a single property, or use the checkboxes to select multiple properties at once. After you've made your selections, look at the top of the list. A new set of options will appear, and one of these options will be Export Properties. Click on that. A pop-up window will open. In this window, you can choose the file format for your export, such as a spreadsheet format that you can open later in your preferred tool. Once you've selected the format that works best for you, scroll down if needed and click the Export button at the bottom of the pop-up. HubSpot will then prepare your export file, which you'll be able to download and review outside of HubSpot. Next, let's look at how to view a property's historical data. On the main navigation, move your mouse over the CRM section. A menu will appear where you can choose the type of record you want to work with. In this example, choose companies, but the process is similar for other record types like contacts or deals. You'll now see your list of company records. Click on the company whose property history you want to review. This will open that company's record page. On the left-hand side of this page, look for a card labeled Key Information. In the top right corner of this card, there's an Actions button. Click on Actions, then select View Property History from the drop-down menu. A drawer will slide open from the right side of the screen, showing you the historical changes for the properties on that record. Here you can see when a property was updated, what the previous values were, and how they changed over time. This is especially useful for understanding how your data has evolved and for troubleshooting any unexpected changes. And that's it. You've learned how to export your properties from HubSpot and how to view the historical data for a property on a record.